Are you the winner of the Razer Kraken V3 HyperSense wired USB gaming headset from last week's Review to You video? Let's find out. We're Review to You. We review the latest and greatest products, and when we're done, we give them away free to one lucky subscriber. We'll let you know at the end of this video how you can easily win this product. In fact, let's take a look at what products we're reviewing and then giving away next week. On Monday, it's an ADT 6-piece no subscription wireless home security system. Wednesday, you'll want to check out our review of the hot new Instant Precision Dutch Oven. And on Friday, we're giving one lucky subscriber a Logitech MX Keys Mini Minimalist wireless illuminated keyboard. So last week for Fun Day Friday, we reviewed the Razer Kraken V3 HyperSense wired USB gaming headset and gave it a solid 4.5 out of 5 stars. So, which lucky subscriber gets to take it home? And the winner of the Razer Kraken V3 HyperSense wired USB gaming headset is Cathy C. Congratulations, Cathy. We're going to get this packaged up and sent out to you ASAP. If you want the chance to be a winner like Cathy C, you can start by subscribing to Review to You and then turning on those post notifications so you can be one of the first to enter our product review and giveaways. We do them 3 times every single week. Make sure to click that link up on the right to see our current review and giveaways, and then hit that link on the left to subscribe if you haven't already. From Matt and Gary, we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye now.